Hello and welcome. If you are preparing for the Goethe-Zertifikat A1 exam, a clear and structured lesson series is starting on this channel for you. The goal of the series is to prepare you step by step for the Goethe-Zertifikat A1 exam. We will not just memorize words. We are starting a completely new and well-structured lesson series. We will learn words through example sentences, improve listening skills, practice reading tasks, prepare for the writing section, and finally do separate exercises for speaking as well. As you can see, everything is very simple and logical. The first series is called Wortliste. In this series, each lesson will include 50 new words and example sentences showing how those words are used. After building this foundation, we will move on to Hören, which means listening tasks, then Lesen, which means reading, followed by Schreiben for writing, and finally Sprechen, where we will practice our speaking skills in exam format. We will begin with the Wortliste series. This series will consist of 13 videos, and each video will include 50 important words and example sentences for those words. Why do we start with Wortliste first? Because without a strong vocabulary base, it is difficult to build listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills comfortably and confidently. As your vocabulary becomes stronger, Hören will become easier, Lesen will feel more manageable, Schreiben will become clearer, and Sprechen will develop more naturally and more freely. In this series, this is how I recommend using the videos. First, learn the word. Then, understand the example sentence. Next, listen to the audio. After that, repeat it yourself. Finally, apply it in exam format. So the goal is not only to recognize the word, but to be able to use it within the logic of the real exam. On this channel, you will get Goethe-Zertifikat A1 preparation in a simple, clear, and structured way. If you are seriously preparing for the exam, this series will be very useful for you. The first video is coming very soon. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the lessons. And in the comments, tell me which part of the exam is the most difficult for you. If you are ready, let's begin together.